and welcome to Pro Tools Essential Training. In this course, we'll delve into the industry-standard software for music production and audio post-production, and we'll cover the basics of how to use Pro Tools for recording, editing, mixing, and mastering. I'll show you how to connect your Pro Tools Studio, and then we'll explore all the facets of the Pro Tools interface. I'll show you how to record and edit both audio and MIDI in a Pro Tools session, as well as how to work with virtual instruments and plugins. We'll look at working with video in Pro Tools, as well as importing any kind of data into your Pro Tools session. We'll also explore using Pro Tools playlists to comp between different takes. We'll examine automatic delay compensation for keeping tracks time-aligned, elastic audio for time and pitch manipulation, and I'll cover how to create a professional musical score with the Score Editor. Finally, we'll use Pro Tools for mixing and mastering, and I'll show you how to export your work and how to archive a Pro Tools session for backup and storage. The techniques covered in this course will show you how to use the tools, functions, and features in Pro Tools for any aspect of music and audio post-production. This course is applicable to all versions of Pro Tools, though if you're using an earlier version of Pro Tools, let's get started with Pro Tools Essential Training.